so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that dick. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Hello everyone, at today's meeting I will discuss material about mathematical models in the Business Mathematics course. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Mary Anggraini, weight NPM 2341181, management as 23D, Faculty of Economics and Business. Mathematical model. Mathematical models are formal representation of phenomena in the real world that using mathematical concepts and methods. This mathematical model really help us understand complex problems and formulate them in a simple format. Type of mathematical models. 1. Deterministic model is a model that describes the relationship between variables without considering uncertainty. Examples such as linear models. 2. Stochastic model that takes into account uncertainty using the concept of probability. Examples of Markov models and stochastic regression model. 3. Simulation model is a model used to simulate situations in the real world by combining various variables and rules. For example, computer simulation to model highway traffic. 4. Differential model. This model uses differential question to describe change in a variable over time. 5. Optimization model. This model is used to find the best solution to a problem by maximizing or minimizing a function and objective. For example, a linear optimization model. 6. Regression model. This model is used to identify the relationship between one or more independent variables and the dependent variable. Examples like linear regression. 7. Non-parametric model. This model does not define uncertain assumptions about data distribution, so it is more flexible. One of them is like kernel regression. 8. Fractal model. This model is used to describe shapes or patterns that have repetitive structure and complexity. For example, the Mandelbrot shape. 9. Graph theory model. This model is used to describe the relationship between various entities in graph form, used in various fields such as social networks and transportation routes. 10. Probabilistic model. This model uses probability theory to describe random events. For example, probability distribution model. Application of mathematical models. Heat transfer in objects. Mathematical models are used to describe heat transfer in objects based on temperature and gradients. Population growth. By modeling factors such as birth and death rates, we can predict a regulation population growth. Traffic flow. Mathematical models help us understand and predict traffic flow patterns on roads and maximize transportation efficiency. Advantage and disadvantage of using mathematical models. Access can describe complex relationships, facilitate analysis, and predict outcomes with high accuracy. Lex relies on assumptions that might not always reflect the actual situation and requires precise data for validity. Benefits of mathematical models. 1. Better understanding. Mathematical models to simplify and represent real-world situations in a more structured way. It helps us understand complex phenomena and break them down into more easily understood elements. 2. Prediction. In mathematical models, prediction can be used to make predictions about future events. 3. Decision making. In mathematical models, decision making is very helpful by providing a clear framework. We can evaluate various options and their effects. 4. Data analysis. In the analysis of large and complex data, such as in data science and financial analysis. 5. Technology development. Mathematical models play an important role in the development of new technologies, from software to facilities and medical equipment.
Contoh soal model matematika. Jika harga sebuah barang sebesar Rp100.000 dan diberikan diskon 20%, maka berapakah harga barang setelah diskon? Dalam model matematika, untuk menghitung model matematika, kita gunakan rumus harga awal dikurangi diskon. Lalu diketahui harga awal sebesar Rp100.000 dan diskon sebesar 20%. Yang ditanya, berapakah harga barang setelah diskon? Lalu penyelesaiannya harga awal dikurangi diskon sama dengan 100.000 dikurangi 20%. Maka hasilnya 100.000 dikurang 20% hasilnya Rp80.000.